Hakuna Pets introduces the Ultra Clear Pet Door. To install into glass. Step 1. Using a tape measure, measure the height from underside of the pet's stomach to the floor as shown here. Step 2. Mark this height on the glass door or panel using masking tape or similar. Step 3. Using a circular glass cutter, cut the required hole out above the tape. Small size hole 250mm or 9.8 inches and medium size hole 388mm or 15.2 inches. Step 4. Install the exterior frame into the hole and slide the interior frame over top to required fit. Step 5. Ensure the door is level before securing using the screws provided. Then place on the screw covers. This completes the installation. To install into a security screen. Step 1. Take the measurements needed to cut the opening by following steps 1 to 3 of the glass installation. Step 2. Using an angle grinder, cut out the opening. Step 3. Install the frame by following steps 4 and 5 for the glass installation. This completes the installation. Operation. The Ultra Clear Pet Door features a four-way locking system. Open position. This allows the flap to open freely in both directions. Locked position. This stops the flap from opening in both directions. In-only position. This allows the flap to open inwards only. Out-only position. This allows the flap to open outwards only. This is the Ultra Clear Pet Door.